നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാൻ പോകുന്ന കഥ എൻ്റെ 100 കുട്ടികളെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. അവരുടെ മാതാപിതാക്കളെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. അവരുടെ ജീവിതത്തെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് ആർട്ട് സെൻറ്ററിൽ ആടിയും പാടിയും ചിത്രം വരച്ചും ഇന്ദ്രജാലം കാണിച്ചും ആഘോഷിച്ചിരുന്ന കുട്ടികളായിരുന്നു അവർ. ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ തുടങ്ങിയതോടുകൂടി എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളും ഇന്ന് അവരവരുടെ വീടുകളിലാണ്. 3ാം ഘട്ട ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ കുട്ടികളെല്ലാം വിളിച്ചു ചോദിച്ചു, അങ്കിളെ മാജിക് പ്ലാനറ്റ് തുറക്കുമോ ഇനിയെങ്കിലും എന്നുള്ളത്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, മക്കളെ, സമയമായില്ല എന്ന്. കാരണം മാനസികമായും ശാരീരികമായും അത്രമാത്രം മാറ്റം വന്നിരുന്നു ആ കുട്ടികൾക്ക്. കേരള സോഷ്യൽ സെക്യൂരിറ്റി മിഷനും KDISCും ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടതനുസരിച്ച് ഐക്കോൺസ് നടത്തിയ പഠന റിപ്പോർട്ട് പുറത്തു വന്നതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത ദിവസമാണ് ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ ആയത്. ആ റിപ്പോർട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ സമർപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അമ്മമാരുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ ആശങ്കയും അവസാനത്തെ ആനന്ദവും കാണുമ്പോൾ അറിയാം എത്രമാത്രം ആ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് മാറ്റം വന്നു എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം. വീണ്ടും ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ആ കുട്ടികളെ ഞാൻ കാത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ് ചേർത്ത് പിടിക്കുവാൻ.
My son was diagnosed with autism when he was 4.5 years old. I was upset. I was not interested even to go out just because she is like this. People were laughing at us wherever we go. They have been struggling since then. I was so anxious thinking about my child's future.
Neurodevelopmental disorders are basically dysfunctions which are caused by neurological origin, and it affects a person during the developmental period.
It's so important to identify these children at an early stage. The changes will be imminent if we carry out the intervention and treatment as early as possible.
It was at this time blessed magician Gopinath Mudgad came with a new, unique and mind-blowing idea.
In 2017, Magic Academy, in association with the Government of Kerala, provided voluntary training in magic for 23 differently able children with the aim of bringing them to the forefront of the society.
They were successfully trained in magic and formed a performance team named Empower.
The Empower children have completed more than 1,000 stage performances, including Middle East. Empower is also entered into the India Book of Records.
While nobody thought it would happen, it actually did happen, and 23 children got trained.
In the initial days itself, change was very palpable.
They put up a show without making a single mistake in front of the Vice President at that time.
These children from Empower team underwent physical, psychological and psychosocial assessment by the expert team from Child Development Center.
And we could interim report, we could find that many children are improving so much.
It is basically based on the concept of plasticity.
When they find that it is being appreciated by others, their confidence levels go up.
I can see such a lot of change. Even I can see it, visibly there's so much change.
Amazed by the assessment results, Magic Academy has put forward its next initiative, Building and Development of Different Art Center, that is DAC.
DAC is world's first of its own kind, where 100 differently able children are selected who are talented in different form of art and are trained.
They have been assessed for baseline assessment and their progress is being monitored in regular intervals so that we can come out with a global model.
We did assess the baseline biopsychosocial levels and functional levels of these children before they started the training in DAC. Now we carry out periodic assessment to see the changes happening in them.
Here they have very friendly environment, open air environment, conducive environment which is nurturing their talents.
The emotional positivity of these children that has increased tremendously.
And I think it's necessary to scale up the program to try and get not only more children coming in or young adults coming in, but also to look at a program by which the existing talent can be brought to much higher levels than the levels at which they are performing today.
As they continue their training, they showcase their talents in front of the audience where they are motivated. Icons assessments show that there is a phenomenal improvement in the domains of adaptive and maladaptive behaviors.
Within a short period of time, they have changed a lot. Some were violent at home, some were rude and aggressive to parents. It's all changed. They have started dealing with parents gently, started involving in household activities. I'm sure my daughter will definitely be improving as the time goes. I feel more secure than before. I'm happy, so happy.
There are so many children and adults who are still in this condition, and our effort is how do we actually do things for all these intellectually disabled so that they live a life of dignity.
My mind is elated and I feel nothing has been worthless.
They are trained here, they showcase their talents here, and they earn their living from here.